This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable Story View Receipts on the Signal app. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Signal app. To enable or disable Story View Receipts on the Signal app, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner up to my little profile icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to tap on Settings. Now under Settings, I'm going to scroll down a ways, down to where you see it says Stories. Tap on Stories. And then right in here, Viewed Receipts. It says see and share when stories are viewed. If disabled, you won't see when others view your stories. But to enable it, you just toggle this on here, and to disable it, you just toggle it off. That is how to enable or disable Story View Receipts on Signal. Thanks for watching.